As we have now become an NOC and delivery center, it means that at every stage of our craft workshops for new learners, we are required to carry out assessments at the beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels. These ensures that our learners are not only gaining valuable skills, but also being evaluated and certified for their achievements. Since receiving approval to operate as a delivery center, we have successfully conducted assessments across all our different classes and workshops. So far, we've run assessment for 2 batches of learners in some workshops and 3 batches in others. These assessments are part of our commitment to providing a structured learning experience that builds confidence and ensures every participant leaves us with measurable progress. For our recently conducted soap making workshop, we took the opportunity to gather testimonials from our participants about the experiences being assessed on the skills they have acquired during the program. Here's what they had to say.
It was nice being able to work independently as well. I faced a couple of challenges because I used the wrong oil initially, but that was quickly sorted out. But other than that, I followed the guidelines, followed the notes, and it was quite nice and therapeutic actually.
Great. No pressure, nothing. The confidence was there. I think everybody in there.
Yeah, I think once I got the oil wrong, just because I didn't want to waste the oil, I think that initially made me feel a little bit, a small bit anxious at then. But then after that, I relaxed.
So how was your experience working on your own today?
It was great. It was wonderful, very wonderful.
Were you confident at your selecting your material?
Yes, I was.
Are you happy with what you produced?
Yes, I'm very happy.
What was the fragrance then?
Orange blossom.
Oh, that's nice. Orange blossom is nice. Yeah, and the colors are really good as well.
I love the color.
Yeah,
I love the color.
But the whole process was enjoyable.
Yeah, the 3 design here came out differently than
because that was at the right pour.
Right.
The other ones were beginning to thicken up and you couldn't control it. So
right.
But that one was a beautiful pour. This one, But I think on the whole, everybody's done really, really well. Yeah. First attempt working on your own instead of working in groups. Okay. Well done.
It was nice, very nice. I really enjoyed it. Yeah, and when you're working with someone, it's helpful, and you can't believe somebody will finish it already. But when you're doing yourself, your own, you can make it you can find it very struggling.
Yeah.
But at the end, it was very useful actually.
What was your combination of oils that you used in this one?
I used coconut oil, palm oil, and olive oil.
And what do we have on top here?
It is
peach
blossom.
Is this your soap from last week?
Yes, it is. It is from. It is with lemon juice.
Lemon juice. Great. Thank you very much.
You as well.
Okay, thank you very much. How do you feel?
I feel good-ish. Like I'm even more practiced. I think.
But it was a good attempt, wasn't it? Doing it on your own.
Yeah.
Were you tired?
I think you know, like certain things, like you're doubting yourself, like is it you lie to the oil or you lie to the oil?
But at least what we have in front of us tells us we did the right thing.
Yeah.
But we'll know from next week when it's. But it looks, from the look of things, it looks good. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for listening to the wonderful testimonials from our recent batch of soap making participants. Their stories highlight the value of gaining practical skills and the confidence that comes with being assessed and certified. Now, it's your turn to take the first step towards learning something new. We're excited to announce that our next group of learners for soap making workshop begins on the 8th of January 2025. If you've ever wanted to learn how to craft melt and pour soap, cold process soap, lip balms, hand wash, or even bath bombs, not forgetting candles, this is your opportunity to join a hands-on class that will inspire and equip you with valuable skills. Don't wait. Head over to our website now to fill out an application form and secure your spot. Whilst you are there, Explore the other exciting courses we offer for both adults and children, ranging from artisan crafts to creative activities that unlock potentials at all age. We can't wait to welcome you to our workshops where learning meets creativity. Until next time, keep striving, keep creating, and remember, every skill you gain is a step towards empowerment.